Alright guys, what's up? We just completed the job here in Mission Viejo. Let's take a look around. Here's one of the guest rooms. A lot of bullnose corners in this house. Homeowner wanted to throw this bathroom in, so we got it knocked out also last day. If you can tell, I'm kind of tired. And here is the baby's room. Pretty clean. Believe it or not, but we didn't touch up all of the paint, all of the crown. We wiped it clean. Now with a regular rag, we use the Mr. Clean product, a little sponge. Does incredible things. We'll make a video on that so you guys can see. It's the bathroom. The crapper, or whatever you want to do in there. So here's the master bedroom over here. If you guys can remember. So we'll do the before and after right before the end of the video. So you know. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. I got some pictures real quick. Oh yeah, and the closet. I don't know if you guys remember the fire sprinkler. Will got that all notched out. So we have to make sure the sprinkler comes down, so you have to make it a little wide, but it's still snug, so it's still very clean. Alright, let's go downstairs. Let's check out the work downstairs. Okay, so right here we have a crown return. This is what a crown return is. We'll make a video on that, how to make crown returns. So we ended it right there because obviously you have no other choice but to. And this one, over on the other side here, I don't know if you remember. We said we were going to wrap it around, so we did. We wrapped it around here, put a crown return right here on this end. So normally, it really depends on the installer if they want to end the crown return on this side or wrap it around this way from all the way down. Oh, and if you guys remember the splice that was up there, you can't really see it because we've covered it up pretty well. It actually takes quite a bit to cover it up. Well, actually not really, you just need to know the right thing to do, which is really a pet peeve when doing molding. You really don't, especially crown, you don't want your splices showing, so you really need to cover that up really well. Office. Alrighty. Sums that up. And the kitchen. That's about it, really. Kitchen. Okay, so that concludes this job. Thank you for watching, and we'll keep you posted on the next project. Thank you.